my student Lala, who started play better than Miss Elza. So I don't know if I even can compete with her. Anyway, we're gonna do little learning on the rhythm, on the accents, and on character of this Latin logic by Bill Boyd from book number 4, Piano Solos, Whole Leonard Student Piano Library. Lala is gonna play first. Timing here in the dynamics there. And it should be like a sudden firework in the end. See, you're going softer. It's correct, but you wanna make this interesting surprise in the end. How you can make surprise? Playing suddenly, subito, forte, right here. Okay, so don't be shy with the dynamics. Gradually softer, diminuendo, yes. I know, we're all camera shy. No one can see us. But if we do just without video, it's so boring. No one's gonna use it. Yeah? So I'll try. By the way, she played by memory, not me. So she's definitely better than Miss Elza, but I'll do my best. And you know what? I wanna see how it works with metronome. So this is for a quarter note. Make for half note. What should we do? Divide 144. I have here divide by 2. 72. Is that right? Okay, 72 for half note. What do you think? Huh? Good. Good. I also suggest when you play this one, don't run because you can. It doesn't mean you have to. I suggest you start to work with metronome. Your speed right now, it is something. This is almost 92 for half, but let's pick 72, a little bit too slow. How about 80, maybe even 84? Yeah, like this. think this is actually your speed, what you're playing, 84. 84, your speed, and you're gonna play a little bit slower. Because seems like the beginning is fine, but when it comes here, the whole challenge starts. 72. Now your turn. Can you play with the metronome? So you see, the thing is, it's not only need to be done fast, it needs to be rhythmically correct, right? So can you match? Can you try? Come on, try. This is a little bit better. Remember I was saying that one of those notes, like at the beginning, a little bit too long, and it does not get you on time, right? So you practice with 72 on a half note, and